Today I'm going to show you how to make easy dessert and enjoy a wonderful tea time at home.
Here are all the ingredients that we will use today. 125 grams of dark chocolate, 125 grams of unsalted butter, 100 grams of castor sugar, 2 eggs, 35 grams of plain flour, and a little bit of salt. First of all, put all the chocolate and unsalted butter together in a large bowl. Bring to a boil over high heat. And stir it until it gets melted. Add all the castor sugar into the bowl and blend it. And add 1 egg at a time and stir it. Put a bit salt into plain flour. And sieve the flour into the bowl. Keep stirring it until you can't see any flour. Then, pour the batter into the container. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and bake for around 25 minutes. Let the cake cool for a while. Then invert onto the plate. And there we have our delicious classic chocolate cake. Now I want to make a pot of milk tea that go with chocolate cake. First, add 250 milliliters of water into the pot. When the water boils, add 2 bags of black tea. Wait for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then, add 250 milliliters of milk. When you see the tea about to boil, turn off the stove. Sieve the milk tea into the teapot. There we got a pot of sugar-free milk tea. Isn't it so easy to throw yourself a nice tea party at home?
That completes today's video. Please subscribe our channel and I will see you in the next video.
那撕开。